Welcome to our guide on the best wine fridges available on Amazon. If you're a wine enthusiast looking to keep your collection at the perfect temperature, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll introduce you to the top 5 wine fridges that combine style, functionality, and performance. Thermoelectric cooling, compact and freestanding design, adjustable interior. Sleek appearance, advanced cooling technology, removable wooden shelves. Quiet operation, energy efficient, precise temperature control. Dual zone cooling, spacious capacity, stylish design. Compact design, suitable for small spaces, adjustable temperature control.